Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on new challenges and adventures. Take a look at this certified pre-owned 2023 Ram 1500 Limited Elite Crew Cab in Patriot Blue. With LED headlamps, front fog lamps, 22-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and cross-path detection, tow package, heated and ventilated front seating, heated steering wheel, 25,000 miles in the odometer, 12-inch touchscreen, navigation, remote start system, panoramic sunroof, Rambox cargo management system, 5.7-liter V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7542.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.